morning. It's our first morning. Good morning. How are you? Ako nag-surf na ako kaninang 5 a.m. And bumalik na. Are you copying, Papa? Ayan, pagbalik ko. 2 hours talaga yung plan, pero pagod. So, pagbalik ko, sleep pa sila. Nagising sila pagbalik ko. And we're planning to stroll through GL, tapos breakfast sa Shaka. And then we're gonna head out sa coconut trees. Maghunt din kami ng coconut road. Hi, Mama. You're so pretty today.
I know. Wow! Ganun tulog. Pagod kagabi.
Oo. Aga nga nag-sleep pagod. So, yun. See you in a bit. Good morning. Ayan. Rara wants to go to the beach. But she's not wearing a swimsuit. You ask Mama, where's your swimsuit?
Mama, where's the swimsuit?
Inside our room. We will get it later.
Okay. So we're just gonna eat breakfast. We're at Shaka. In front, we can see Cloud9. That's the boardwalk. And
What's that?
which one? That's the feet of the... Hi, Mama. What can you say? It's nice here. How about you, Rara? Is it nice here?
And Papa also. And Papa also.
Papa also, it's nice here. Tambay lang kami dito.
My name is...
Don't touch that. That's the camera. Don't touch.
Amara. Maxine. How old are you?
4.
You're only 2? You're 2. You're not 4. Are you 4?
Yeah.
No. Mama's so pretty.
Wow.
Is Mama so pretty?
Yeah.
And also...
Wow, we're pretty.
Yes.
Wow.
Guys, kaning baboy. Guys, paparinig ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-crunch itong lechon na to. Look at Papa. Look. Hi vlog. This is the crunchy lechon. Look. So good. Eat your rice. Yes. Tapos yung beans spicy. Ito yung special. Sarap. Parang may nalalasan akong seafood. KB spice paste. Feeling ko may seafood tong, may crab. May lasa siyang crab spice paste. Feeling ko may crab base yung paste na yun. No? May crab, no? Tapos merong pork barbecue. Okay. Yung serving nila ng rice, actually, feeling ko parang 2 cups na tong rice. Plus may beans kaya heavy ito sa stomach. It's spicy pero hindi siya sobrang spicy. Alam mo yung spicy enough na yung appetite mo mag-increase lalo. Although medyo pricey yung special, $3.90 ito. Ang difference niya is, ito may yung pork barbecue. Masarap din yung timpla ng pork barbecue. Although it's kind of small, parang 3 to 4 small squares lang. Pero pwede yung regular, 310. Ano masasabi mo po?
Sarap, panalo yung lechon.
Anong lasa?
Sarap.
Ganun, pinarinig nyo na lang yung tunog ng lechon. Hello! Hi! Maaraw pa sa coconut trees, so nandito kami sa river. And Rara's eating donut. Dito muna kami. Unexpected trip. Okay. Hello po. Ay, 30.
Tapos yung bangka po, kung gusto niyo pong mag-tour, isang po yung bangka, maximum of 3 lang po.
Entrance lang po kami. Apo.
Okay.
Thank you. Nagilap dun sa may kahoy. Tignan mo sila, love. Push mo, gusto mo. Kailangan mo mag-balance dyan. Magbabantay akong bata. Doon muna sa taas. Ay, tumba, no? Ito, no? Langga, ito yun, no? Tumba. Kasi laging sinasakyan, eh. Oo. Amara, you're at the top? Hawaan sa. Picture ka lang? Doon, no? 20. Si kuya man mag-picture niyan. Ah, sige, picturean kita. Rara! Hi! You're in the forest? Wow, crossing the bridge. Many bridge, mama. Here go.
Here. Go here. And
Pwede naman.
here. Go here. Go here.